Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis by covering the gold market and the recent events during the markets. Greg?
The price of gold has added 0.9% in the last session. The ROC shifted sharply into the positive zone. The euro-dollar pair has added 0.4% in the last session. The ROC has shot up into the positive area. The sterling-dollar pair has gained 0.1% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator moved into positive territory. The Aussie dollar pair has gained 0.4% in the last session. The stochastic RSI moved sharply into positive territory.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
The U.S. dollar fell as the S&P 500 and Dow Jones climbed, despite rising coronavirus cases in the U.S., with the earnings season in full swing. The massive hack into many high-profile Twitter accounts aimed at carrying out a crypto scam sent the major cryptocurrencies down. The U.S. FTC is considering taking testimony from Mark Zuckerberg and Sheryl Sandberg as a part of its probe into whether Facebook engaged in unlawful monopolistic practices.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The UK public sector net borrowing will be released at 400 GMT, the Swiss trade balance at 400 GMT, the U.S. Chicago Fed national activity at 1030 GMT. The Canadian New Housing Price Index at 1030 GMT, the Canadian retail sales at 1030 GMT, and the U.S. Red Book at 1055 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.